Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. We don't have to worry about touching the wig or anything like that because it is so secure. Now I have the cap, and a way for the cap not to show is to start it at your hairline. So that's a tip right there. We are gonna add just my shade concealer to brighten the part. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before I do anything to it with just the brush. So if you are a person who cannot do your hair, this is all you need. Let's fix it so you guys can see. You see this? It's a wear and go. Like, you just take it out the pack and you put it on your head. Now look how straight it is. I love this Yaki texture, I'm not gonna lie. It fits perfect. Let's just brighten the part and see how that looks. I'm gonna use my shade. This is the wig. It's 24 inches, so you get in length. Okay? Now, if you want to wear your wig as is, you can. Make sure you center the wig. Just keep fixing it until it's centered. Now this is for the persons who want to wear the wig as is. You have somewhere to go, you purchase this, you don't have the time, you cannot do your hair and you don't have the time. This is the wig. So now I show you guys that we're gonna go in and we're gonna even make it a little bit more customized. Now if you have some time, you just get the flat iron and run it through it. We don't have to part the hair or anything. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. And because I want to wear this for a few days, I will spray right here. Just tab right there. So you guys will see all of that. Just keep on watching. Oh my gosh. I like it. It's been a minute. I don't wear a straight hair. So this one is perfect. Guys, you see the wig? I use a flat iron. Look at this. Now, it is perfect. I love it. It's not going anywhere. It is straight. This is so beautiful. Like, it's lightweight. I don't know. I think Yaki texture is my favorite. Like, I really do like it because it's very manageable. It's perfect. And remember the drawstring, it can be adjusted so it doesn't matter your head size. I think I'm gonna style it for you guys to see, but this is how it is straight. I love it. Absolutely love it. We're just running the flat iron through it. I didn't have to part it or anything. Beauty Forever, you did that, okay? So this is it. Let's get into it and then I'll show you guys another style. Alright guys, this is how the hair looks. Curl. Listen, that clipping was in slow-mo, so you guys missed it. And this is like 2 hours later again. And the curls are still in. So you need to grab this wig. Make sure you guys check Beauty ForeverHair website and you can visit and purchase the same wig. It's 24 inches. Also, the link will be in the description, so it's gonna be easier for you guys. But I love the curl. Look at the ends, so you guys know, even though it's a Yaki texture, the curl is there. Okay, so it's not disappointing at all. And let's talk about the lace, because sis, look at that. I know y'all have seen that. And I have this wig on for more than 12 hours now. So, with that being said, it's a go for me. So make sure you check the description box. And thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! you.